students. In last 2 episodes we have learned some divisibility test. You must have practiced it. Let us learn some more numbers, divisibility rules. Are you ready to learn? Let us start. Divisibility by 6. What it says, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Do you remember what is the divisibility of 2 is? Or divisibility 2 says unit digit is 0, 2, 4 or 6 and 8, then it is that number is divisible by 2. What the divisibility 3 says? When the sum of the digits are divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Right? Is 114 divisible by 6? Let us check. Divisible by 2? Yes, 114 is divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? When it is divisible by 3 and 2 both, then it is divisible by 6. Yes. So that means it is divisible by both 2 and 3. We can say now that 114 is divisible by 6. Look at these numbers. All are divisible by 6 because they are divisible by 2 and 3. Let us move ahead. Example. Is 375 divisible by 6? Or the divisibility rule says a number which is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. Let us check for 2 first. 375 is divisible by 2? No, this is not divisible by 2. When it is not divisible by 2, then there is not required to check whether the divisible by 3 or not. But still we'll check. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. But it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So this is not divisible by 6. 375 is not divisible by 6. Let us check for divisibility by 8 rules or says. If the number found by last 3 digits is divisible by 8, yes, then that number is divisible by 8. The given number, let us check whether it is divisible by 8. Is 87,048 divisible by 8? Let us check. What it says? Last 3 digit number. Concentrate only on last 3 digit numbers. What is that? 048. Is this 48 is divisible by 8? Yes, 8 6 are 48. So we can say 87,048 is divisible by 8. All these numbers are divisible by 8 because their last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Let us see what divisibility rule 12 says. The number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. Or divisibility test 3 says, when sum of the number is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. Number formed by last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Right? We know this. Is 648 divisible by 12? Let us check first divisible by 3. Sum is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Another number we have to check with divisible by 4. Is this divisible by 4? 48? Yes. When it is divisible, this number is divisible by 3 and 4, then we can say this number 648 is divisible by 12. Okay. Let us see one more example. Is 524 divisible by 12? Let us check first for divisibility test 3. Is 311 is divisible by 3? No. See. When it is not divisible by 3, that means this number is 524 is not divisible by 3. No need to check by 4. Still you can check. It is divisible by 4, but it is not divisible by 3. That means this number is not divisible by both 3 and 4. So this 524 is not divisible by 12. We have understood today divisibility by 6, 8 and 12. I hope you have understood the concept of divisibility rules for 6, 12 and 8. So take out some numbers, check out that number whether it is divisible by 6, 12 or 8. As I always say, maths requires practice, so do practice. All the best, students. If you like this video, share with your friends, write comments